Good day, friends. Let's continue with central tendencies and diagrammatic representation of statistics, that is given data. Till now, problem set number 6. Till question number 6, page number 166, we completed. Let us continue with question number 7. Problem set 6, question number 7. In that, open the textbook. Question number 7, page number 166 is the prices of different articles and diamond for them in demand for them is shown in the following frequency distribution table. Find the median of the price. Price is given in rupees. 20 20 less than 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100. Less than 20 means 0 to 20 it can be, because next classes are 20 to 40, 40 to 60, means in the width of the class is given 20. So less than 20 we can mention, or 0 to 20 we can mention. The thing is, classes are continuous. So if class width is there in the median formula, classes are already continuous, not necessary to make one extra column. Number of articles are given, and we have to find out median. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. N by 2, CF and H. As H is there, classes should be continuous. It is already continuous. We have to find out cumulative frequency less than time. So 3 columns will come: classes, frequency, cumulative frequency. And then we have to finalize the median class. After finalizing the median class, we can finalize value of L, CF, F, H, and then we can find the median. Question number 7. First column will be for class. Okay. Second will be frequency, and then next will be cumulative frequency. First class is less than 20, 0 to 20 or less than 20. Okay, the frequency is 140. Second class is 20 to 40, the frequency is given 100. Next is 40 to 60, the frequency is given 80. Next is 60 to 80, the frequency is 60, and the last is 80 to 100, the frequency is 20. We need to have the total of the frequency, that is value of capital N. In the question, information is not given that what is the total here. Let us see what is the total. 0, addition of unit place, then 10 plus 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So 0 carry 2, 100 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So the total of frequency is N. So N by 2 will come half of that, that is 200. Cumulative frequency less than type. In less than type cumulative frequency, we will see the addition from top to bottom. Less than upper class limit, less than 20. The first frequency as it is. Addition of first two, 140 plus 100, it gives 240. 240 plus 80, it gives 320. 320 plus 60, it is 380. 380 plus 20, it is 400. And we can see these both are matching each other. So class, frequency, cumulative frequency. Based on that, we have to finalize first median class. For that, n by 2 value, n is 400, sum of the frequency column 400, we will divide it by 2, the value will come 200. Median class is depends on n by 2 value. First, greater cumulative frequency as compared to the value of n by 2. First, greater cumulative frequency as compared to the value of n by 2. N by 2 is 200. So first greater cumulative frequency is here 240, other than 200, 240. So the class 20 to 40 is nothing but the median class. So median class, once again I will clear, n by 2 value is 200. We have to choose such a class where the cumulative frequency is more than 200. CF more than 200. First is 140 less than 200. Second only it is 240, which is more than 200, more than n by 2. So the median class is here 20 to 40 class. Median class is 20 to 40 class. This will clear the values. So first we will write the formulas. Now median is equal to, formula for median, L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon f bracket complete into h. So L is equal to, L is nothing but the lower limit of the median class. Median class is here 20 to 40. Lower limit is 20. So value of L is 20. Next is n by 2. Already we have the n by 2 value. N is 400. N by 2 is 200. After that, CF, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class. This is important. Cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class is here 140. CF value should be taken 140. Frequency F, frequency of the median class. Median class frequency is 100. So value of F is 100. And the remaining one H, class width when the classes are continuous. Here the given classes are only continuous. Difference between 40 to 20. The width is 20. These all values will put it in the formula. We'll get the median for question number 7. Let us find out. Median is equal to L. L is 20 plus n by 2 is 200 minus CF is 140 upon F is 100 into H is 20. So 20 plus 200 minus 140, it gives 60. 60 upon 100 into 20. 1 0 get cancelled, second 0 will get cancelled. 20 plus 6 2s are 12. Total will be 32. So median is here for question number 7 is 32. Let us come to the question. Then what should be the final sentence? It will clear to us. Question number 7, the prices of different articles and demand for them, it's shown in the following frequency distribution table. Find the median of the prices. So median of the prices is given in rupees. So answer will come here. Median of the prices is 32 rupees. Means in an average 32 rupees article is in more demand. So solution for question number 7. Median of the prices is 32 rupees. Here the column, first column shows that information is in rupees. So for the final answer also it should be in the rupees. Let us continue with question number 8. In question number 8 it is asked mode. For the mode we need to have F1, F0, F2. F1, F0, F2. For that model class should be defined, and with the help of model class F0, F1 and F2. Frequency of the model class is F1. Frequency of previous class of the model class F0. Frequency of next class of the model class F2. And the classes should be continuous because H is part of the formula. Question number 8. In question number 8, following frequency distribution table shows the demand for a suite. Now previous was demand of articles, different articles. Now there is demand for suite and the number of customers. Find the mode of demand of suites. It is in gram. Okay, mode of demands in suite. That in an average this much gram is the mode maximum which was ordered. So weight of suite in gram. So first it will come class, that is weight. Then second is nothing but frequency, and computed frequency are we need here. The formula is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F1 minus F2 into H. So CF is not part of mode. Two columns are only needing. Classes, frequency, model class will decide all the values in the form. So first class, weight of sweets in gram, 0 to 250. 0 to 250 is the first class. Frequency is 10. 250 to 500, the frequency is 60. 500 to 750, the frequency is 25. 750 to 1000, frequency is 20. 1000 to 1250, the frequency is 15. Okay, 10, 60, 25, 20 and 15. Now, which is the model class here? Model class is nothing but the class which have maximum frequency. So maximum frequency is here 60. That is why the model class is 250 to 500. Model class is equal to 250 to 500. Depends on the frequency. Maximum frequency class is always model class. If this is the model class, these are the frequencies. Frequency of the model class is F1, frequency of the previous class of the model class is F0, frequency of next class of the model class is F2. L is nothing but the lower limit of the model class when the class are continuous. Already the given information is in continuous class. Now formula for mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket complete into H, class width when the classes are continuous. So L, capital L value is here 250 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is 60, F0 that is F0 is 10. Again 2 into F1 is 60 minus F0, F0 is 10 minus F2, F2 is 25. Bracket complete into H, class width. Class width is nothing but the difference between upper and lower limit when the classes are continuous. So 500 minus 250, class width is here 250. It is equal to 250 plus 60 minus 100, it remains 50. 62 is 120 minus 10 and minus 25. You can add them, both are negative, total will be 35. Bracket complete into 250. So 250 plus 50 upon 250 minus 35. 120 minus 35. 20 will get cancelled, remaining is 15. 100 minus 15 is 85 into 250. So we can divide them by 5. Here it will come 5 13s are 5 5s are and 0. Now 50 into 50 upon 13. This 250 can be as it is, plus 50 into 50, it gives 2500 upon 13. 5 5s are 25 and this 2 0. So first we'll finish this division and whatever answer will come, we'll find it till 2 digit of the decimal point when added into 250. So it will be 250 plus 13 ones are 13, because 25 is there, 13 twos are 26 will come. Okay, 13 ones are 13, remainder is 12. 12 and this additional 10, it will be 120. So if we'll have the 120, we need to take help of table of 13. 120 will come there. 13 sevens are 91. 13 it's 104. 13 nines are 117. So it will come 13 nines are 117. Remainder is 3, because we have here 120. 120 minus 117. 3. 3 and this additional 0, it will form 30. Now 13 twos are. 13 twos are. I will write it this side. 1 9. 13 twos are 126. 126, remainder is 4. Decimal point will make that 4 as 40. 13 threes are 39. Remainder is 1. Additional 0 is taken, then also it will be 10. One more 0 need to take. So we can mention it till 192.30. So 250 plus 192.30. This will give the mode. Mode will be equal to 0.30 will be as it is. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 5 14. Carry 1. 2 plus 2 4. 442.30. I think it was in gram. Let us go to the question again. Question number 8. Find the mode of demand of sweet. And in the first class, weight of sweet in gram it is written. So answer, final answer is 442.30 gram will be the mode for question number 8. Mention it properly. The last 442.30 gram is the mode for question number 8. Let's continue with question number 9, which is based on either central tendency or it will be based on pictorial representation of statistical data. What we learned: histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, pie diagram, etc. Question number 9. Let's see what is there in question number 9. Draw a histogram for the following frequency distribution. You have to draw the histogram. Use of electricity in units and number of families. Classes are continuous because histogram is nothing but the attached bars. So classes should be continuous. 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 130, 130 to 150, and 150 to 170. These are the classes. 150, 400, 460, 540, 600, and 350 are the frequencies. 600 is the maximum one and 150 is the smaller one. So let us continue. As per the given histogram we have to draw. So I will not draw the table. Already classes are continuous. If classes are discontinuous, then we need to make them continuous. Okay. So x-axis and y-axis. Please recall what we learn. X-axis, y-axis. So can we mention x-x dash, y-y dash either in this way. X-x dash, y-y dash. Okay. Origin, scale on x-axis, on y-axis. So first we'll consider for x-axis. On x-axis, it is 50 to 70, 70 to 90. Difference is of 20, 20. Okay, difference is of 20. So we'll use clean sign. Before that, we'll divide it into equal parts. You already have the marks as you have proper graph paper with you. As I have board, plain board, I am mentioning here. So first class I will use clean sign because my first class is going to start with 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, after that 150 until we need 170. So here it will come use of electricity in unit. So either write it classes or use of electricity. Either classes or use of electricity. This side it will come number of families or frequency. Number of families or frequency will come on y-axis. So on x-axis, what is taken here? 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units. You can change the scale as well, depends on the graph paper. You can use 2 centimeters is equal to 20 units as per. Okay, and maximum frequency we have in this question 600. 600 should get fit. For that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 till 13, 14, 15 we have. 15 for the, so every centimeter can be equal to 40. I will make it 50. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 families. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, and this will come 600. We need till 600. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 50. I mentioned it here, I did not mention it here. No matter, the meaning is same. Okay, so on y-axis, what is the scale? On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 families. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 families. This is the scale taken by me. If you need, you can change it. Answer will be considered correct. So as per the question, question number 9, first 50 to 70 class, number of families are 150. 50 to 70 is this class, number of families are 150. 150 will be here, first bar for 50 to 70. Sorry. Second, 70 to 90, 400. 400 is this side. 70 to 90, 400. Then 90 to 110 is 460. 90 to 110, 400, 450 will be till here. See this 450, and additional 1 millimeter, 6 millimeter will gives it 460. After 460 it is 540, 500, and 1 millimeter less to 550 will give 540. So 540 for 110 to 130, 130 to 150, 600, 130 to 150 it will be 600 for 130 to 150. Next 150 to 170, 150 to 170 it is 350, 350. After 300, 350. So till 130 to 150 the frequency was growing, increasing, and only for the last class 150 to 170 it came down number of families. So here we have the pictorial representation of question number 9 to show the given data in the form of histogram. Histogram is nothing but joint bar diagrams. It is in the form of bar diagrams which are attached, not separate. Okay, so it converted into histogram. Here we need to show the scale for origin. It is 0 0 coordinates for origin 0 0. 0 to 50 is not of use, so crank sign is used. On y-axis it is started with 0 itself. So pictorial representation of question number 9, histogram. I hope you understood it. Excuse me. Let us see question number 10, which is on the next page. Page number 167. Page number 167, question number 10. In question number 10, what we have to find out is classes are continuous, so I think table will not be need. We will continue with direct diagram. In a handloom factory, different workers take different periods of time to weave a sari. The number of workers and their required periods are given below. Present the information by a frequency polygon. It is asked frequency polygon. What is the difference between frequency polygon and frequency curve? Frequency curve is to join the points freehand. That is frequency curve. Frequency polygon to join them with the scale and pencil. Here, in frequency polygon, two types are there. Frequency polygon with the help of histogram, frequency polygon without help of histogram. So here histogram is not mentioned. Direct we can go through the midpoint of the classes, that will be x coordinate, and y coordinate is nothing but the frequency. The number of days, then it will be class mark. Class mark will be working as x coordinate. So table you have to form number of days, that is classes, class mark, and then number of workers as a frequency. The last two columns will give you x coordinate and y coordinate. So fourth column will come with x coordinate and y coordinate. Class mark will be x coordinate and frequency will be y coordinate. I will start here direct. We will be having x axis and y axis. Xx dash yy dash either mentioned in this way, sorry, okay, xx dash yy dash or as per, okay, as per the given information, 8 to 10, 10 to 20. So 8 to 10 cm class mark will come 9. Next class it will be 11. Next class 13. So here the difference is of 2 2, and polygon means always we need to complete it also. So first class mark is 9. Previous class of the first class will come 7. So we'll start with 7. We are needing with 7. Crank sign will be there because 0 to 7 is not of use. So we'll use crank sign, and here it is 0. So x-axis will start with 7. Why it is taken 7, not the first class mark as 9? Because we have to close the graph on both the ends on x-axis. We studied it. Okay. So that is why the previous class of first class is also needing. So previous class will be 6 to 8, and class mark of that class will come 7. Then next class mark is 9, then 11, then 13, 15, 17, 19. We are needing till 19 only, plus one more because to close the graph on x-axis. Okay, so last class the class mark is 19. Next class of the last class, the class mark will come 21. So here scale on x-axis every centimeter is equal to 2. What is here? Question number 10. It is number of days. Every centimeter is equal to 2 days. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 days. And on y-axis depends on frequency available. 1 centimeter is equal to, first we'll divide it into equal parts as I don't have the markings. What will come on x-axis? Number of days. Number of days, we have taken class mark of the number of days. Okay, and on y-axis number of workers. So I will mention frequency, number of workers. Here the maximum is 4040 and minimum is 5. So we can start with 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 until 40 we are needing. So till we can mention it. Okay, for the first 8 to 10 class, the class mark is 9, the frequency is 5. Class mark is 9, frequency is 5. So first point will be here. We are not needing histogram, so we'll direct continue with the x coordinate and y coordinate because histogram is not necessary. For the second class 10 to 12, so class mark is 11, x coordinate will be 11, y coordinate is 16. After 15, the mid first, after 15 it will be the first small line. So 16, 11 and 16, we'll mention it here. 11 and 16. For the first it was 9 and 5, 9 and 5. Next 13 and 30, 13 1 3, 30 3 0. 13 and 30, it will be here. 13 and 30 for the third class. For fourth class 15 and 40, 15 and 40, 40, it will be here. 15 and 40, it will be pick of our polygon. Next class x coordinate 17, y coordinate 35. 17 and 35, 35 is here. I will rub this because I'll be needing it. 17 and 35, 17 and 35. Next 19 and 14, 19 and 1 4, 14. After 10, after 10, 8 small line, I guess. That is 19 and 14. And we'll be needing the point on x-axis at both the ends to close the graph. So 9 is the class mark. So previous class it is 7. So coordinate 7 0, and the last it is 21, 21 and 0. Now we'll be joining these points one by one with the help of scale and pencil. I will just show you for first 2 points, second and third point, third and fourth, fourth and fifth, fifth and sixth, sixth and seventh point, and to close it the last one. So here in this way on y-axis what is taken? Each centimeter is equal to 5. I think it is on y-axis number of workers, 5 workers we can consider. Okay, so on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 days, and on y-axis the scale is taken 1 centimeter is equal to 5 workers. So as per that, the required frequency polygon for question number 10 is on the board. On x-axis number of days, it is taken class mark, that is x coordinates. On y-axis number of workers, it is taken as a frequency. And we completed question number 10, frequency polygon. So you can see that today we are finished with question number 10 of problem set number 6. In the coming video we will complete the remaining part of this problem set, then including reduced syllabus. We completed with reduced syllabus as well online. Till today's date we finished till problem set question number 10. So within few days we'll complete all the syllabus. It is there for your exam and which is not there for your exam, which will be useful for you for the coming academic years also, for 11 12 if you have the mathematics subject, or in future in commerce also if you choose the mathematics. Okay, we'll stop it here for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.